Hello, this is Danny Riley with today's MrTopStep update for the quad witch, the DEC quad witch. And there isn't much of a witch to talk about. The S&P opened steady-ish, has been in a very tight range all day. You know, we talked about the Pitbull's trade about going home long the December contract. He scratched it. And what he came back telling me over the IM this morning was that he felt that we were kind of correct about people kind of shutting down, starting to gear down toward year end. As far as the markets are concerned, or particularly the S&P is stuck in a 3.20 handle range. This is like unheard of on a quad witching day. In the old days, it used to be one of the most fought after days of the year. It really was. And the old S&P pit would be packed, and everybody would be fighting. The phones would be going ballistic. The locals in the pit were there because they knew that there was a lot of vig to grab, and today there's nothing. It's all done by the hum of a computer. And what we feel is that most of the stuff was probably paired off going into the end of the week. And then today there was a little bit of a buy, but it really didn't show up on anything. And then we went into a little bit of a sell program, and then we went into a little bit of a buy program. Now the rest of the day is really going to be focused not really on the expiration itself. It's about the rebalance and all the billions of dollars that will be shifting around and the stocks that are going to be replaced and put into the S&P 400, 500, and 600. Luckily, night trading was very good to us, and they gave us all those statistics, and we put them out on the IM today. As far as volumes are concerned, we came in with like 200,000 minis, and when I left the floor about 10 minutes ago, it's about 12:20 Chicago time, there was only 825,000 minis traded. Yeah, so you take that 250 off, you come in with around 650. That's not very good for a day like this. You know, it used to be on the opening print on a quad expiration, they do 1 billion shares on the opening print. As of right now, there's about 650 to 750 million shares traded. So at the end of the day, it's all about the switch. It's all about the rebalance. And as we go into the end of the week, we're going to be looking at next Monday, Mutual Fund Monday, and then we're going to be looking more toward the end of the week and what's going to be going on with the markets as that happens. Again, the consensus that we're hearing down on the trading floor isn't that the markets are going to go down. That more than likely they're going to continue to drift higher. And then again, unless some big event takes place, that, you know, there'll be little need for the big banks, the big prop firms, or the big hedge funds to really do any adjusting. So we're really thinking that the year may be coming to an end as we go into this weekend or the middle of next week. We'll be back with another MrTopStep update. And again, we're going to be telling you that we're retooling, we're bringing in more talent, we're going to be back up doing our videos, and we're going to be doing everything that we've done up to now to keep people informed with what's going on in the marketplace. You know, that's what it's about. The Chicago mercantile floor is a bastion of information, it's a bastion of trade, and we're at ground zero. We'll see you next Monday.